Now I'm going to introduce the fourth paragraph. 8 movements in this paragraph. We start from push through the back. Rotate the left heel, pull in, knock out, and white snake spits tongue. So white snake spits tongue, we need to make this one go smoothly. So pull in the right hand, at the same time push out the left hand, and landing at the same time. That is going to make smooth. We'll do again. All the movements go together, go smoothly. Rotate, pull in, move out, and push, snake. Go, jaw circle, cross, slap. When we do this slap, try to use your top of the foot to touch the hand, not the toe. So make sure it's not the toe to touch, it's the top of the foot to touch the hand. The hand stay there, not to go down to meet the foot. So slap, top of the foot. Take step, raise up, tame the tiger. The one fist, temple level. Another fist, chest level. Move to the right, pull in, take step, raise up. A fist full of energy inside, direction right. Tame the tiger. Rotate to the right heel, left heel, down. Push down. Rotate the right heel, left heel, right heel again. So lots of rotates of the feet. If we don't do those rotates, then we may find ourselves stuck, cannot push down, cannot get up. So make sure you rotate, and then shift to the weight, rooster, stand on one leg. Rooster, stand on one leg. Stand on one leg, bend the leg, make it more stable. Side level, tip of the fingers, nose level. Drop the foot, rooster, stand on the other side. The same. Take step, brush your knee, and strike. Use your waist. Use the waist to guide the movement. Waist, turn to the right, brush your knee, and then strike. Do it smoothly. Rotate the left heel, hold the ball, go. Grasp peacock's tail again. Deflecting, pushing, pull in, use your waist, do smoothly, and curve movements. Rotate, push out, bunch your hook, take step, rotating, pushing, landing, grinding, another single whip. We already explained before. Now, I would like to introduce the attacking and the defending meaning of those forms. From push through the back, rotate, move out, and attack the opponent's face, high area. A slap is going to be another attack with the top of the foot to attack. Go. Palms become fists. Attack the temple and chest area. Pull in and attack the same temple and chest. Rotate. Straight out. Crouch step. Attack. Rooster, stand on one leg. Use the hand to attack. Use the knee. Attack. The other side is the same. Hand and knee. There is a saying in the martial arts, if it's close, if it's far, we use the kick with the foot. If it's close, we use the knee to attack. Brush your knee and strike is to attack the opponent's lower abdomen and the groin area. Cross peacock's tail, we explained. Warding off is to move the opponents away, press away. Deflecting is defending. Change the direction of the power. Push. Pull in, change the direction of the power. Pressing, another push or throw the opponents away. Single whip. Hold opponent's arm and attack with a whip. Okay. Now the breathing coordination. Push through the back. We start from here. Inhale, pull in. Exhale, push. In, cross. X, slap. In, raise up. X, strike. In, pull in. X, strike. In, rotate. X, push down. In, pull in. X, raise up. In, drop the foot. Exhale, raise up. In, take step. Exhale, strike. In, holding. Exhale, warding. In, deflecting. Exhale, pushing. In, pulling. Exhale, pressing. In, rotate. Exhale, push out. In, rotate. Exhale, push. So that's breathing coordination of the last 8 forms.